Hello guys, so this is the second video for NMAT registration. Now, as I've already told that to go for NMIMS, it's a two-step process. One is registering for NMAT as an examination, which we have already done in the first video. And second is registering for NMIMS as an institute. So it's the second thing. I'm sharing my screen, guys. Here we go. So see this is the website nmat.nmims.edu, right? So see, I'll still show you how you will do as a student. Let's say so NMIMS, let's say 2020 NMIMS MBA registration. Something you'll type, right? Yeah, so the first website nmat.nmims.edu is what you have to click on. And once you click on this, guys, see, please, first point which I would like to mention is please go through, all kind of programs they offer, now wherever there is apply now, when you click on apply now, it will all go to the same thing. See, this is where it go to, right? So I'll tell you all these things later. First, go through all their buildings. There's a video mentioned on the left-hand side that how to register for this. Please go through this video also. So everything is here, all the recruiters, alumni. So go through the website properly. Very important, right hand side corner yellow में apply now लिखा हुआ है. When you click on this, everywhere there is apply now written, you'll come to this place. ठीक है? Now guys, please understand why am I making this video is step one we have already done is the same thing. Even if you click on this step one, your name, last name, and everything now is the same process. It will take you to the same thing. Go to the GMAC, NMAT by GMAC registration, which you have already done. You have already created your ID and password there, right? So either you do it here and it will take you to the same thing, right? Which you have already done. Directly go to step two. And here begin NMIMS registration. So see, it will ask you for ID password, which you have already entered the same thing. So either ID password or your registered email ID, your Gmail ID, whichever is there. You do that, and then it will take you to this dashboard of NMIMS. Now, what happens with NMIMS now? I'll tell you what. For NM as a university, they have everything consolidated. B Pharma, BSc, PhD, everything you can see here. But since we are applying for postgraduate program, you click on postgraduate program, right? So it will show you which program you apply to and then register for that. So this is very important, guys. Now, a few other points which I want to mention. So then once you start registering for this, it's easy, guys. A lot of information it will extract from that, the GMAC website, which you have already registered on, and few other things you will have to fill in. 2-3 important points which I want to mention. Right, I'm sharing my screen again, guys. Yes, here we go. Now, point one which I want to mention is number one. Okay, let me say all this I've already discussed. So a few things I would like to discuss as far as NMIMS form is there. Huh? So go on this, guys. See, I'll tell you what. Yes. Now, the choice of campuses, guys. Now, please understand, choice of campuses is fixed in this manner. ये देख लो आप. Whichever is a better college, आप उसको preference 1 दोगे ना. Then preference 2. So NMIMS Mumbai, preference 1. NMIMS Mumbai HR is a separate program, preference 2. Then Digital Science Mumbai campus, preference 3. Bangalore, preference 4. Navi Mumbai, preference 5. So based on the cutoff, you can give your preference. But if at all you want it in some different manner, your choice. Right. So this is how I will prefer. Rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. इस तरीके से आप दे दो. Next point. This is already discussed. Very important, guys. Extremely important, in fact. You have to fill NMIMS college form before 10th of October. Which means, let's say, examination you might be giving on 15 December, let's say. Let's say last date is 15 December, you give exam on 10 December. You cannot fill NMIMS का form after 10 December. कि नहीं सर पहले मैं exam देता हूँ, देखता हूं मेरा क्या स्कोर आता है, अगर स्कोर अच्छा है तो एनएमआईएमएस का फॉर्म भरूंगा। नो। पॉइंट वन, द लास्ट डेट ऑफ फिलिंग फॉर्म इज 10th अक्टूबर। आपको एनएम का फॉर्म 10th अक्टूबर के पहले भरना पड़ेगा। सो वेदर यू हैव गिवन एग्जाम और यू हैव नॉट गिवन एग्जाम इज अ सेपरेट इशू ऑल टुगेदर। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, but examination, I hope you understand. Now, till last year the form was available earlier, right? So what was there is कि लोग पहले एग्जाम देते थे फिर सोचते थे। नाउ प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, योर एग्जामिनेशन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 7th of November, राइट? लेकिन एनएमआईएमएस का फॉर्म 10th अक्टूबर को भरना है। So in any case, you have to fill this form before the examination starts. As simple as it gets. The cost of the form is 2,800 rupees. It includes GST. That's the best part for a lot of students. Right. So yes, guys, that's it from my side. I hope this is sufficient. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.